What's up guys, here we are in a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a put to an end payment method decline when paying for any Apple subscription or any online payment. Payment method decline means it's not accepting that your credit card, especially when making an Apple subscription or paying for anything related to Apple. And not just Apple. This also happens when you try to pay for something online sometimes. And now I'm going to show you step by step on how to solve this problem. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First things first, you need a virtual USD card in order to make this work. Just go to Play or App Store and search the app called Gray. You can get this application both from the Apple Store or the Play Store. It will take you just a few minutes to set up, and then you will need to verify your account in order to acquire that virtual USD card. Also, the verification might take some minutes, but you should be done in a very short time. They have too many steps and questions in order to make sure that the user creating an account is a person and really exists in real life. So after you get verified, you'll get access to your account details such as the account number and all that. Just then, you'll be able to credit or send money to the account using the account details provided for you. So last step, obtaining your virtual USD card. So after creating and verifying your account, from down here you can see home, cards, activity and more. Just tap on cards, and then here you can see get your instant virtual card for faster international payments, globally accepted, works on all favorite stores like Apple Store and so on, heavily secured. So you'll say create my virtual card. Then here you will be charged some fee in order to get your virtual card. Card creation fee is $4 and then card top up is $1. So in total you'll be paying $5 in order to get your virtual card. Once you tick here, then create my virtual card. Your payment will be processed, but unfortunately I don't have $5 on this account, so that was why I wasn't charged. But if you have more than $5 or $5, you'll be charged and you will get your USD virtual card. That's just simple. So this is a sample of what my virtual USD card looks like. After getting your USD virtual card, just try adding it to your payment method and it should work in seconds. So if there's any problem, it might be from your account. Maybe the account is insufficient or something like that. So these are the simple steps in order to acquire your virtual USD card and solve any online payment issue with Apple or not. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And that's all for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Until then, when I meet you guys in the next one. Peace.